Welcome guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna learn about the if function. So if is basically a logical function in Excel. In front of us we have two numbers 25 and 45. If we want to compare these two numbers and print a value, how we can do it using an if function. Let's try it out. So you put in here as if. Now you need to put a logical test out here. You need to put a condition. So our condition is if C2 is greater than D2. So if this condition satisfied, if this condition becomes true, so we need Excel to give us a value as greater. If this condition is satisfied, you put in here as greater, or else if this condition doesn't satisfy, you put in here as smaller. Now if you see, our answer is correct, it's smaller. Let's just change this value to 65. When you change the value to 65, it basically automatically changes to the greater value. So it checks so basically the if function, it checks the first condition, the condition which you have satisfied in this one, and then it on that basis it prints us the value which we have inserted in that one. Now this is a very basic function, very basic example how to use the if function. Now I'll show you how to use if function within an if function if we have a multiple criteria. As you can see, we have here a list of fruits and we want to display a price for each of the fruits. So how we can use a multiple if function in just a single formula? Let's just try it out. So we'll put here if you need to select the cell, if A2 is equal to an apple, we want you to put the price as 35 else. So this is basically if this but A2 is apple, then you print the price as 35. You can again put here if if A2 is equal to orange, we want you to put the value as 45 else if A2 is equal to, let's just our last condition is grapes, we want you to print as 55. So we have put out the condition. So our first condition we have put out as if A2 is apple, then we print the condition as 35. If it's orange, you put down as 45, and if it is grapes, you put down as 55. But what if this condition fails? As we have learned earlier, a small example, what if the first condition is not true? So you need to put in if any of the condition doesn't matches, we want you to print as 0. So remember here you have opened three brackets, so you need to close it 3 times. So this is the first, second one, and the third one, and you press enter. So the moment you press enter, our thing was, if you can see in this ff function, if we had an apple, we wanted the value as 35. Let's just copy this one and we'll go down, just paste it here. So if you can see, we have an apple is 35, orange is 45, and grapes is 55. Now we give one more condition if this three condition doesn't satisfy. So we'll just name any of them. Let's just say NA. We'll just say NA. Just copy that and paste it here. So if you can see, if none of the condition matched, it has displayed us as 0 value. So this is the way you can use multiple if function inside a particular if. So basically we had a very short list out here in front of us, but if tomorrow you have if you have a list of 500 rows, 600 rows, or 1000 rows, you just need to put out here a condition and it will do rest of the things for you. Thank you guys for watching this.